This is the epic roast action. Taking lessons from Shannon. Meat. Straight meat. Straight in there. Like that. I'm going to get some stock. Beef stock. Whatever stock, any stock. Sprinkle it all over. And just rub that in a bit. Rubber dub. Ellie, get your dirty mitts out. If you want to play, you go and you need to go and wash your hands. I was going to spray the bottom. Bottom's already oiled, but spray. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. Bit of red. Could probably use some better red, but this will do. Where's the stock? We need more stock. So we've got beef stock, pepper, bit of pepper, about that much all over the top. Now I'm just relying on the stock for this flavour because we didn't bring anything, any herbs or anything like that. Bit of salt. Now, that's just all liquid. Later on I'll throw some beer, maybe a bit of whatever. But that's it. Let's just get it in there for now. Get it warm. Alright. So here's a fire we prepared earlier. That is going to be cranking hot. Now we wait. Oh yeah. That's what you want. Just got to keep it wet. Don't let it dry. Otherwise you'll burn. Burn real fast. So while that's cooking, chop veggies, get veggies ready. Rubbish. Half-eaten kids one. Rubbish.
Ooh, lucky.
Bit of bent spoke. I'm gonna roll him over. It's still pretty red inside though.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well done to me.
This is absolutely looking the goods. Oh, look at that meat. Alright, we're gonna do a taste test. I don't know, you need to. Hey Skip. Watch out, feed hot. Meat. Oh, this looks amazing. I don't know what that is, but that looks good to chew on. Some lucky bugger's getting that. Oh, look at that. So this was 1 kilo, and I reckon it's probably okay for 2 people and a couple of kids. So that's about it. Can you get the red? Get a good bowl of red with this. I'm gonna get a good bowl of red. Cook with the cask, drink from the bottle.
Girls.
Are they into it? They like
Yep.
the meat. Did you like the meat? Yeah.
That's heaps for me. That blue one for me, right?
Look at that. Verdict?
Yum. Mega yum.
Unbelievable. With a glass of Brindabella Hills Shiraz. Unbelievable. That is well worth it. That took no time at all. Hour and a bit, we let it sit. The veggies are soft. Oh gosh. Oh dear. Kid.